evaluate phi of 180. So, ibig sabihin yan is hahanapin natin yung mga values that are less than n, which is also relatively prime to n, which is 180. Or sa madaling salita, hanapin natin yung mga values na hindi pwedeng makapag-divide kay 180 or makapag-reduce kay 180. For example, if we have phi of 10, so first, ilist muna natin yung mga values that are less than 10. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then, isa-isayin nating ilagay si 10 sa numerator. And then, next is to tingnan natin yung mga values kung si 10 ba ay divisible or reducible sa ating mga values na kinuha. Okay, 10 divided by 1 is 10. So yes, pwedeng i-divide si 10 kay 1. But take note that 1 is always co-prime or relatively prime to any value of n. So parang dinidisregard natin si 1 sa lahat ng values of n. How about 2? 10 divided by 2 is 5. How about 3? 10 divided by 3. So it cannot be. So lagyan natin ng check mark yung mga pwedeng makapag-divide kay 2 ay 10. How about 10 over 4? So this can be reduced as 5 over 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 10 divided by 6, so that is also the same as 5 over 3. About 7, so hindi pwede. Si 8, so pwede siyang i-reduce as 5 over 4. Okay? And then sa mga natira na to, yung mga to, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yan yung mga values na hindi pwedeng makapag-divide o makapag-reduce kay 10. So therefore, ang ating sagot sa phi of 10 is 4. So ganyan yung idea ng ating problem na to. Okay, so proceed na tayo sa original problem. So how about phi of 180? So kung mapapansin nyo, malaki yung value ng ating n. Dito na papasok ang tinatawag nating Euler's tangent function. That is given by phi of n equal to n multiplied to the quantity of 1 minus 1 p sub 1 multiplied to 1 minus 1 over p sub 2 all the way up to 1 minus 1 p sub k. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to factor 180 sa kanyang prime factorization. So 180 can be factored as 45 times 90 times 2, and then 90 as 45 times 2, and then 45 as 9 times 5, and 9 as 3 times 3. So ito na yung factor natin, yung prime factorization ni 180. So that is 3 times 3 times 5 times 2 times 2. And this can be written as 3 squared times 5 times 2 squared. So ito na ang ating magiging p sub 1, yung ating base, si 3. And then p sub 2 naman is si 5. And then p sub 3 is si 2. And then i-plug lang natin sa formula natin. So we have here phi of 180 equal to 180 1 minus 1 over p sub 1 is 3 multiplied to 1 minus 1 over p sub 2 is 5 multiplied to 1 minus 1 over p sub 3, that is 2. Okay, calculate natin. 1 minus 1/3, so that is 3 minus 1, so that is 2/3. 5 minus 1, so that is 4/5. 2 minus 1, so that is 1/2. Then multiply 2 times 4 times 1, so that is 8. And 3 times 5 is 15 times 2, so that is 30. 180 can be factored as 6 times 30. And then i-cancel natin si 30. And 6 times 8 is 48. So ang value ng ating phi of 180 is 48. Okay? Okay, so ganyan yung pagkuha ng phi of a number using the Euler's twoshell function formula. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.